guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
You just want to be, by all means. You want to be relevant by all means. Down Omila Akim. Let me give you that name now. I remember when I give you that name, Omila Akim. Let me give you that name, Omila Akim. That time you do apprentice under Audio Love It, Mommy Love. That was when I gave you that name. When you fall out with Mommy Love, when Mommy Love called play your audio. When she begin play your audio, where you profess, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. So we call tire whether you want to go into lesbian relationship with Mommy Love. I remember that year. I know you now. I know you well. I know you like back of my hand. I too know you. I too know you, Mila. I too know you. That is why when you come for me, it is sweet me. You just sweet me say, you don't come again. Remember the time you gather with I14 talk show? You gather with who else? Mama G for Scott Bush. I beat you now. Water. I used to play. I14 talk show where Hitro bring come out. Come expose her lies. Her stupid lies, which Hitro delivered. They couldn't have patience. They called it the life of Pahitro head. Called the casts aspersion on that man's head. That man came out bluntly to defend his name. And he said the fact as supposed to be said. So make una share. Make una share. I can share to my backup page. Copy the link. I copy the link. Yeah, I've copied it. Then let me go to my business suite. From there, push on. Because I want to make this broadcast go, make it go far. Because I not do you nothing. The last time I checked, I thought we don't reconcile. I know to say you still they envy me. For WY did that you they envy me. Just come out. Just come out. I do broadcast. I not call your name. I express my own opinion on how I see the matter. I not call whom down Omila Akim. I never called her. Now she don't call me now. This is no saga. I know they do saga. Me that truth at the talk. I know they do saga. The last time I checked, saga know they do me nothing for, but this is not truth. I will take beat you. I know they can't call lie for your head. I know they can't lie for your head. I want to use facts and figures, accurate facts. They beat you because you are filled with jealousy. You are so filled with jealousy. The last time I checked, now the video where you talk to me, it never passed 150 viewers for more than 2 days now. It never passed 150 viewers. If there's anybody that will run inside, now you go first run because you are not of relevance. The people don't want to see you. The people don't tire for you. You not get to see what you they offer. When you do video, I never say you get 1K view one day for after 10 or 20 months of your video Omila Akim. I've never seen it. Don't you see that you are not accepted by the people? You should run inside plus your I-ness, plus I-ness, whatever. They don't share your video. They don't share your video. People don't share you because you have no relevance. They don't want to see you. So it's high time. If there's anybody that will go inside, it is you, Omila Akim. You blog. You not blow. You carry my video. That's you got through why you fresh you come meet me for the take my video. I'll still leave you. You not still blow for the blogging. You not blow. A shower will not blow. They envy the one way it blow. The one way it blow, you the envy him. The envy him where it blow. She do one before, but she came out, come talk say, the two way they take her eyes pass through. Not be good thing. She come tell the world the story, the blunt truth, your story. According to genocide, how genocide call by what you say call that thing when they do it Winnie that time? His stories. Iyore can talk her stories. Omila say make her remove from her big head, make it smash her. You know if he smash her. Now truth I can't talk. I can't second the fact, the truth. I can't second the fact, the truth where Iyore bring out. Even me, say, for this space, I don't beat Iyore before. I'm not gonna lie. But I can't look say, hey, all everybody for one person. Everybody go just, if you just talk one thing, the next thing they will just say, Aganoma, now be God. Now say, don't do. Make everybody to your tent or Israel. Let's face reality. The last time I checked, down like who make you the spokesman of Benin Palace? I know say there's one Frankie Irabo, Benin Traditional Council. He is there to address issues that concerns the palace, not you. All of them just catch cheap fun, cheap popularity, all in the name of palace. You want blow by armies. You want to turn yourself to palace guide for social media. The last time I checked, Royal Army was dissolved. Prince Okoro go drink water. What did they not give you to do? Not shook head put. This is a clear warning to all Benin where they for social media, where they fight for palace. Palace don't answer now, make una fight for them. The last time I checked, there's no war in the palace. Now only once one person where I know say yes, where they continuously they vomit those sacred words for a match, not be monkey face. If una they beat monkey face, I'm not gonna care. Iyore have heard before. She heard before, but she herself also say she make mistake. She don't deviate. She has deviated from that pattern outrightly. So in my own opinion, I feel there could be room for forgiveness. Now, opinion I give, I channel my own submission to our Reverend Palace. Make una still find a way to at least find a way to remedy this whatever about this una pikin. She's doing well. She's doing well. She's not a bad influence. Only one mistake. The last time I checked, there were worst people of where they bring shame and disgrace to the land. More than whatever. Like Omila Akim. Omila Akim. Now if I bring Juju on this Facebook, when he first found that he kangaroo, we not bad for her today. We not a blue. We can go gather people when they can go swear for people for one of our social media presenter, which I was there that time. They give a bumper to bumper, they curtail and say, "Na lie. You know if you do this thing. You know if you do this thing." Yeah, those not saying you to come swear for nobody. Then the thing come backfire for her head now. She hands up. Now from there, can they get her hot, obviously over the years. Before I can go call for one idiot program, can they lie for saying that so the cash are do one thing, which I can't look to now my sworn enemy, so whatever she say. After the years, I can't say, this woman, you know, say this way the way you support that and a lie. She can't use her mouth, she can't confess, say she not see you, she not know. Whereby come finally blow sweat for that one head. Which I don't want to call her name. They say I know they call her name for my broadcast because I don't swear for her. Don't swear for her. So what did Omofuma did wrong when I can't talk say it is fuckingly rare. Those people with they bent hair of sending their children to Europe. It can't be like trend, it can't be like fashion, it can't be like whatever. It is rare. I don't even miss word for that matter. It is rare that few now not involved in this human trafficking. It can't become the phenomenon, the new thing in town. Then every mother want to get picky for abroad. Until today, look any house for Benin where one person not there abroad, where one woman not there abroad. In a day, not 30, the Reverend Palace come bring out the great of the greatest. Come out, come give them boza. Then they call it feel bad belly. They were virtually living, sustaining themselves on human trafficking. That was their oil money. That be oil for them. People for data, if they get job for Chevron, they get job for share, they'll say they don't hammer. But what did some Benin women did then? The best avenue to hammer now to traffic their child for prostitution. It is a blunt truth. We cannot hide that fact. It is high time we accept that fact and stop it from not happening. Which the great palace saw. They saw it before they bring that that Osusumaye can swear. They see him. They don't just overnight can say, oh, they just bring Osusumaye. For all my lifetime, when I stay Benin, I don't hear Osusumaye one day. I don't know whether Osusumaye exists. I never heard of Osusumaye. It was because the great Oba saw it. He was an ambassador in Italy. The Nigerian ambassador, he saw it. This is a stigma to my people. What do? I have to redeem my people. I have to redeem my people. This thing must stop. It must stop. If this will not be major cancer in the system, I don't think the Oba will ever deem it fit or thought it wise to bring out Osusumaye. From what I heard, that Osusumaye has not been brought out for years, for ages. Because we've never got a crisis situation like we can't get her now. Our people are being stigmatized. Our people are being known for the wrong values in society. Prostitution is a bad stigma to any tribe, any nation. No tribe should be known for prostitution. It is not a good thing. You should be known for academic excellence. You should be known for breaking different opportunities in the engineering field, the science industry, the nuclear, whatever. These are things of pride, not prostitution. Creating ideas of enormous value to your people. These are what people want to see, not prostitution. Then a Benin woman like Izzy will come on air promoting prostitution. You people never deem it fit to blast her then. Make it enter now. Somebody come pick her, come talk her. Una say that person bring the head, come. Make una cut her. So because of say, na Igbo woman. Then every Dick and Harry, everyone will be social media presenter, come out. They don't see market. They don't see where they want to get followers because they find money for Facebook. Now money una dey find. You don't mean well for una people safe. I mean the talker at the chest time. You don't mean well for una people. Now money una dey find because una hear say Facebook they pay everybody want monetize. But you see you don't talk, which is the truth. Benin women traffic their children, their teenagers abroad. It's a blunt fact. You cannot hide that fact. You can never hide that fact. Now it has been stopped. We should put all hands on deck to say, okay, this is the past. And when we see people reflect on it, okay, you count yourself among, if you see yourself, say, you're not among the ones who are not doing, just count yourself, you're not in. Let her talk, or let her run for all she cares. Then she go keep quiet, but when come make her, come be like, say, obviously, now the truth she talk. Because it pay una. Now let truth the pain person. When they tell you your truth, you go pay, you die. That's the truth. Let me call the pay una. Everybody call me, they swear, mommy water will not blue. They call the good river. When they call the already call the juju now for the land, they say, they don't, if after whatever now swear for blessing see you, she still they do well. She still they vibrant. She's successful in her endeavors. It's obvious, your juju not work. If they call blast una for that angle now, una say, they don't insult una for una juju will not still work. So what are we saying in essence? What are we saying? Let's tread calmly on issues like this. Let me tread with a calm. Let's see you don't talk. You wish you not say happen. You just buffer. Let it hear and easy. Not every dick can have it. Can't they shout and you be a spokesman for palace? Why Frankie Rabo, the spokesperson of the palace, not talk? Because it's of no consequence, of no relevance, of no importance to the palace. If palace get issues where they serious, they go bring Frankie Rabo come and talk on this issue. All of them just say arrogate rule. We not be on our own to ourselves. Rule will not be on our own. No one blue. We won't damn like it not blue over the years. If they expect say one day palace will call her, they call give her. If they either see gain about 250. How many viewers are getting that? 252. I know you see comment. Make una share this thing. Share this thing. Share. Make una share. Make we talk to Omila story small. Omila don't fail. She's a failure. Omila at 70, see they watch the day of her age, yash. She's a failure. Every time. At last, if they wash plate, maybe they call my name. I know what? When you wash plate, house girl. When you wash plate, always wash it plate. Don't call my name. I'm too smooth. Too much more than you. I too pass you. Don't they call my name when you wash plate? Not they call my name when you wash plate because you don't get anything to offer. The people don't want you. The people don't reject you. The people, based on your you've been there for ages. Nobody shares you. You can do a video 10 months, 20 months. You know if you get 200 views. So don't you see that you've overstayed your welcome? I don't see anybody who will even share your video. Never by mistake. Sure. Even by the greatest mistake, sure, go one page, come say somebody share Omila video. Didn't they share your video? The last time I checked, now only Melissa, I saw what I call even use your video to cash cruise the that time. When they shot, they fire Tuari, make it go Ekpoma. Melissa say Ekpoma road, it don't block her. So Tuari they go Ekpoma. Tuari go still there beneath. We will get Tuari for Ekpoma. We don't want her. It's a bad influence to Ekpoma people. We don't want her there. So, I say I will just beat you the laugh. I love you shout. I don't want to shout. I will laugh you. After your video don't reach, you fit get 1K view. You do video for my head again, I'll come reply you. But as it be today, I think after I just beat you small today, I'll still leave you again. Make you go they cry. Go hug transformer. Go they hit head for war. But not the wash plate. They call my name. I know what I mean. House girl, not if you talk to me now. A homie. 15 years, I work, I collect, you don't think they call TFA. Uhunda Omila. 15 years TFA, this is a small bar. You also see me the potpourri and the flex now. Too much. May I take something for fridge? My mouth is dry. Too much owo. Oh, in Dublin we drink Guinness. Chilled Guinness. There's the trademark in Dublin. Mr. Vino Boy. Mr. Vino Boy don't come up for Italy. He not the drink Vino again. Mr. Vino Boy not the drink Vino again. Mr. Vino Boy the flesh with Guinness. So cheat, Omila. Omila, bring yourself come out. You don't too take for darkness. Bring yourself come out. Bring yourself to so if you not be one thing will be safe they see you. Children will get conversion. By now, before don't bring yourself come out. Because you know say you if I go thief Alibaba, AliExpress picture, they cash you. When you forgot thief picture. Come out, you break all these years. When you go come out, Cinderella not go find reach you. But till now, we never still see you. Not until Tafia Amebo TV call cash you. Call cash your head. You can't be like the picture with Tafia Amebo break come out. Can't be like what they call scarecrow. Scarecrow, almost like a scarecrow. You need to be scarecrow. Those things they put for farm those years. Maybe don't call shop corn for farm. That's so Omila be. So dejected, haggard, progressing, no. Good job, no. At your age, you still work with agency. I not work with agency one day for Italy. I not work with agency one day. I got a direct job with a company, Cheva Logistics in Italy. 15 years. They paid me off. I collect bar. After 15 years of diligent service. They paid me off. And I was having a life contract. I mean, they say, I not do again. I don't tire. Okay. They say, Omofuma, we still need you. We still need you. No, I say, I don't tire. I don't tire. 15 years of contribution. I will still finish the contribution for where I did so. Because we can add the one from there and the one here. Anytime it reach for me to get pension, get my pension, I'll get it. But that is the difference between me and you. Omila Akim. We not be of the same category. We not be of the same stuff. We are not of the same whatever. You live your life wrongly. Those things where Iyore talk, it affects you. Just like now you they talk to. You not blow. And now you want to come blow. If you are in a CG, all of them put together, blogging, you not feel blow. If you they talk for them now, 2 people they look you. 1 person will comment 2 times or 3 times. After 2 months of the video, you know, will still get 100 views or 200 views. You have no relevance anymore. You not forget the time when you first stay they relevant. You not forget the time when you first stay they relevant. There was never a time you did relevant. You only they make noise, they rant. Arrogate rules where they not give you. And you be defender of the palace. The palace not know you. They not send you message. They not send you message. They don't want to know you. But you have to say if you don't do. Take your head, they fight who not send you, fight who not fight you. All in the name of the palace. Palace don't know you. They not say you. This other boy will use whatever they dance for a marriage. When the palace see how to deal with her, or he has fall short of whatever, Frankie Rabon wrote a letter to him, which he came out and he apologized. That is how it is supposed to be. The children, if children they don't kill children. Children, where they Europe, they curse their papa. They curse their parents because of a modernity, modern world. But can the parents kill the children? The same way that they talk to say the reverend authority. They couldn't forgive one of our own. Because some people did not send message. Don't take upon themselves, say, yes, this is the time to take certain things what the palace not sent it to do. There should be a pronouncement towards that direction. The palace not send to the court anybody who back. We not send now. Even when they call Monkey Face, and Monkey Face, we know Monkey Face has gone too far. Not be just one mistake somebody just make. You make one mistake, there's still room for forgiveness. As far as the person they do him again, even the prodigal son, after he take papa money, they divide the inheritance of the father's weight for her. They give her. He blow him. After he blow him finish, he can't suffer. He now seek for forgiveness. He can't even remember himself for a papa house. Even the way when the kind of pains and trials and tribulation when they pass through now. Even servants, they enjoy passer for a papa house. The papa servant, even the crumbs so they fall for the tables of the servant. You know, see and eat as a prodigal son. What did he do? He come house, come beg his papa. What did papa do? Papa take her into house. Bad Peking, they let them bomb, but not they let them key. So whatever has transpired in the past, there should be room for forgiveness. Now my opinion, now I talk. Now who down me like say we can bring head come Omofuma or Mofe. Mofe, Mr. Video Boy. Mr. Video Boy, come here. Your wife don't carry you go island. I laugh with me like him. I hear they listen to her video, I hear they laugh. I say, God, this woman will never change. She will never change. She can never change. I was just laughing. I said she never would change. That just say, okay. Yesterday I was a little bit exhausted. and my lighting was not too good. I say, me I still give a small, make you remember, say, I used to be a counter puncher. I used to a quick response team. Now I be for PFF that year. Quick counter punching, response immediately. We don't waste time. If I bat, pour for there. Buza. No to Baseki. That would take the sing that time, but today, that'll be the Baseki. What we told you then, he not deliver. So I should beat my chest to say yes. At least I fought a good fight for you people. But una not agree. Una say 4 plus 4 go back. Even the same Omila Akim was on that track. 4 plus 4 go back team. But today the same Obaseki didn't deliver. So what are we not saying? What I know they say. So Omila Akim, now you know what that saga, intellectual saga. Now they give you that is the way they praise blessing see you. Blessing see you. If they beat a Kiakoin, intellectual sagi. What to do that? You just do 360-degree shift. Let's see you. Ogu this okay. This Ogu, you know they finish. Ogu boy, before you talk Ogu boy, Ogu said don't tire. Ogu don't tire, the one that they call Ogu. Ogu don't tire. Damn Omila. It did that. It did that. They can see, I know they will see people, I know they see you, self. They can check from out that phone. Okay. You can see them there. What I know they see comment. What I comment now? Make una comment. Comment. I can see people watching me. Monday Doma is watching. Ninja Ble is watching. You people should share and comment. Share, comment. I will tell Omila truth now. The truth need to be told. The truth got to be told. Omila Akim, we need to tell you the truth. You've overstayed your welcome. You know they pay you. Your sigi, saga, you not pay. So go inside. Go inside. We, the Edos from Edo State, on behalf of Edo people, and some people say, Omila Akim, go inside. You know they get you. Even though Facebook they reduce the Facebook views can't shrink these days. Don't you see it as a sign of the people not accepting you? Say after Omila Akim I challenge you, bring you one video we don't do. For the past 2 years, we get 1,000 views. Bring one video where you don't do. For the past 2 years, we get 1,000 views. Even that your small blog where they do. I saw you go put that for my inbox. Where they take the beat. I could make here. Make I help you share. I go just look at. I go say, see this the day that. Bini snake. Not be all of you now. Omila Akim na Bini snake. Jealousy, they for her DNA. Jealousy, they for her bone marrow. She just jealous Iyore. And most of them, they jealous Iyore. Because if they check and wear, the last time I check, who be the person really, where God's really blessed for this Facebook? Not let me come out, let me in diaspora. In terms of followership, in terms of view, in terms of supporters, na Iyore. The last time I check, if they still look at who do COVID-19, who said COVID-19 palliative back home with trailers, na Iyore. So that kind of person, that kind of philanthropist to the people, well, just to make you bring your head to become a young buyer, even though you make mistake. No. You get where they go. You go scold you go scold Peking. You use left, you beat her with one hand, use that hand to draw a come body. Now so they key back Peking. We all need each other. We not get anywhere with the key. But Omila, you not get anything they do for people. Omila is not productive. Omila never help one person. She never even help herself. She need help. Omila Akim need help. Omila need help. Omila need to be delivered from the shackles of house girlship. Omila Akim need to be delivered from the shackles, from the bondage of being a house girl at 72. She need to be delivered. If to say she do it by this time, she's supposed to enjoy the fruit of her labor, they relax, they chop the good things. If to say she train her children well, she go, they relax. Not be 72 years, say they wash it, the day yash, because after you the day they wash, you the day they wash another the day yash. They go say you go, quick, Omila go wash plates. You go carry camera for there. You go hang out. They talk, I never, I'm very busy. I not just see the video. You people know. You people know I don't watch. I just pass and I like. She they watch everybody. She they before they break, Omila don't go everybody page. They find saga where they don't call her for. Where work on defend. That's what they do. But you go tell you, I know they watch show. I am very busy. I go holiday now. You not go holiday. Oh, that kitchen day. Oh, God have mercy, Omila Akim. You short, your matter. It pass. Be careful. No holiday. Omila don't fit go holiday. You don't say about that when they go holiday. Or about that when they call her. Omila don't go any holiday. Omila go lie. Say, you know what? I not go do video now. I did holiday. But before we know, Omila don't come back. I be saying I want to talk. Put to a day holiday. That life. Omila is like kitchen there. He not go anywhere. Omila they turn Omila upside down. Omila not get 500 card way free for her. She not get 500 bucks way free for her to use. She know they pay her sweat. They give her 1 cubicle for there. Make she they sleep. Then now you want to influence people. What a shame. What a shame, Omila Akim. Make you the shame. The shame enter house. House girl. You want chieftaincy title for Benin. God. Omila Akim say if you do this one, do. The palace will call her. They don't give woman chieftaincy title. They don't give woman chieftaincy. They'll call give her Iyore Sige. The palace will now officially bestowed her the title of Iyore Sige. Reincarnated Iyore Sige. That is her dream and aspiration. You know they happen. Enough it happen. Because the palace knows say you be nuisance to the society. You have no good. Nobody will want to associate with you. I want to share this thing. They cut her small. I think I never do this kind of video for a very long time. I not just the shout, I just the laugh, the talker as it's supposed to be. This is intellectual sagi, according to Omila. Hey, let's see you, not the shout. Let's see you, just cool. If you can't cool the talk, you then go to come off. It's truth. You know why I watch that kind of video, they don't get hypertension because time not there inside again. You don't overstay and welcome. It's about to buy. Omila Akim, you don't say I dey see you. I dey see your nonsense. The way they do 360-degree turn. I bet see you. And now I got your page this morning. I go see that I make her. I don't say you put Mr. Vino again. But what say I go see Mr. Vino. Make her look at. Mr. Vino get 100. How many views? Make her go. May I go your page now? May I show you how many views Mr. Vino get for there? Yeah, she did life. Oh. Who that day life? One person they zero is watching. Zero. Now 0 person they watch. 0. Make her swim life. Make her see. He did life. He did life. I said I will beat you today. I never do this to anybody before. I'm ready for the water. 10 people. Leave that in the whole story. The old story. This is old story, Omila. Old story.
Listen.
Shut up your mouth. You make her head go buy you.
She started lying against
Make her head go buy you.
Against the ancestors, like I've been telling you now.
Ancestors.
This was after so many years. So after Benin people couldn't beat any longer.
Now you want to fight for ancestors. Make her look the thing is where I call look for a year page. Andrew Mofe, see after 17 hours. After 17 hours, 186 views. 186 views after 17 hours. You know, say you have no relevance. The other one again, Andrew, okay. Well, another one, Andrew Mofe, one day. 160 something views. Andrew Omofuma and Frank Alaluhe. I hear they laugh. 100 something views. You know they ever get 200 views after 2 days. Don't you see you are of no relevance? Go and hide the shame. Go and hide the shame. Go hide the shame. Emeka de Benin there. Emeka not run for Benin. They Benin there. You there for inside kitchen for where they wash yash. They fight Emeka. If Emeka do wrong, Palace get how they go to address Emeka issue. Emeka de Benin there. So all of them they cry more than they bereaved. That's what you people are doing. Emeka is in Benin there. Emeka never seriously so disrespect the palace. Maybe as a broadcaster, when they talk, you make mistake, which she quickly came out, got rectified, can't say go delete the video. Why all of una company come out now because una want take cheap content, not be evil content, gossip. I'm a ball. We not saying una. Your plate now, they didn't show you the wash, not do you. You maintain your lane, face your life. Blow where you not blow. 72 years where you just there frustrated. Not in the past where Omila Akim no go cash out. Not in the past. That be globe that I was small. There's this cartoon we used to watch in Benin those days. What do they call her? Voltron. Defender of the universe. People will go when they watch cartoon those days, they will remember. There's one we call Voltron, there's one we call the Globetrotters, those basketballers. During our time, that time for NTA and EBS in Benin. Now, Milaki Wako become a Voltron, defender. All the losers. Something will come out of go jump out. In fact, the truth will take beat now will be the truth. Own up to that truth. That's my beef with you people. Own up to that truth. That's a fact. All of una. 99.99% of most women did prostitution in Europe. Central Europe. Central Europe. Not in UK or in Dublin. So people come with different things. Different avenues. Some of them come with a skilled workers program to come work. Some come as students in UK and Ireland. But majority of them in Central Europe, I not will say 100%, majority, headquarter na Italy. From Italy, they begin disburse themselves. Some go Sweden, some go Denmark, some go wherever. France, Germany. And so they can spread their tentacles all around Central Europe. The Sheshe nation. Because it is no borders. If they get 6 months document, they take a run cross borders. Press the love and like, my people. Thank you very much. We're going to press the love and like. Make una dey comment. Press the love and like and begin to comment. Comment, my people. As we dey the cut as small, so the truth we dey talk here. This is just the truth. I see how many hours we don't go for the video. Or minutes, you never reach hour. Make I comment by myself. Make I see whether I will see the comment. Be people they comment and not they see. Okay, yeah. I saw I can see my comment. I press high. Okay. We are going gradually. Omila, don't go buy for another man issue. Because your day, nobody send you. Nobody send you. They not send you. Emeka, they do well pass you. Emeka hold bar pass you. Emeka load pass you. There's no two ways about it. Emeka hold pepper pass you. Emeka not dey Europe again. He don't first come Europe before, but that boy they make it bad for Bongo. So make una take una bitter peas, make una sink and deep into una system. Emeka is far better than you. Emeka is 100% better than you, Omila. Emeka better pass you. They check something here. So, now so it be my people. We'll never finish you. Omila. When will you change your evil ways? When will you change from your evil ways, Omila? When are you going to change from your evil ways? When that bitter spirit in you will come out hand for your body. Learn to forgive and forget. Iyore is not the cause of your calamity. Iyore is not the cause of your problems. Iyore is not the cause of your problem. Not be Iyore, not be make you not blue. Not be make you not blue. Now small, I know you say I not use better hash too for you now. When you go reach, after you do video, you reach 500 views after 2 days. You call my name. That video, you call my name. You reach 500 views. Hey, I'll come give you small injection again. Small one. Small injection, I'll come give you again. You say, my pattern will say, I know they follow women drag issues. I know they too follow, I know they like say, every day women, no? If the woman just do anything, I'll give her 1, 2, 3. Then I'll relax. That one I'll give you. They ponder over it. They take care till they hit your body because now the truth. Now I tell you. I know they call life for your head. Your life is so poverty-stricken. Even you not get fixed contract to take rent house. You not get. For Italy, if you not get fixed contract, they give you house. So you not get. That's why you stay for kitchen. They give you kitchen. Always in the kitchen, washing plates. Always there washing plate. But then when they wash plate, you go hang phone. Go for, na black video they always do. Darkness video. So you just put the phone near corner for there. Make water no you touch her. You go they shout. My people, my people, my people. You who you be. Your opinion not count. You're not rich to talk to people. You are not capable. Your life not be good example where people go see, say they want to be like you. So why your opinion count on people's life? Your opinion not count. Because the last time I check, you're not a role model of nobody. Your Ines, what you they call her? Ines. They don't share you. Because you need to use the cash crew. They'll say, what could go hear what the mad person want to talk today? They're just use the cash crew. So when they hear what the mad person want to talk today. That's what they do. And not because they're too many. They're not the too many they watch you. They're so what this mad woman want to talk today. After they watch you, they don't share. They never share. I never go say I'll pass through one page. Say na down. Omila video na be this way people share. Never. They never share you. That is enough signal to tell you say enter house. Don't you go get a BP for nothing. Don't go get BP for nothing. This is what they do now. Not be my feed though. This is not my feed. I'm a political guru. I dey dust my computers. My computers for 2024. That's what I'm waiting for. All my computers are ready. See, my 2 phones is ready. 2024, it's our agenda. Now they wait for. My 2 phones and my computers, they are ready. Yeah. See them. They are ready. Good to go. This one. See, it's ready for. It wait for 2024. I never honor. Yeah, this one and my Samsung is waiting for 2024. 2024 election. Then you will see guests on my show. Guests. This one, just a day off. I'm not the user. I keep her for corner there. The 2. StreamYard. We're going to go on StreamYard 2024. Omila, not be your mate. And Jomof will not be your mate. I pass you. I pass you. You're the cash cruise of my house. So for doubling, if it is easy, Omila, you not get document if you cross call here. It's so pathetic. 37 years in Italy, Badanti, no good document. So unfortunate. So unfortunate. Not be me do you. And your bad life, and I do you. Not be me do you. Not be me do you, Omila. We'll see the systemize. Very soon, I'll take you go my door. Show you my name for Bell. Omila, I bought my house cash. I bought my house cash. Life and direct in Dublin. I bought my house cash. Go home transformer for all I care. I bought my house cash, Omila. What a poverty-stricken life. So fortunate, Omila. How will me do you? Just the envy me. Baba God, don't bless me. Baba God, don't bless me back and front. Don't bless me. I'm a contented human being as I am today. Very, very much contented. If you are my followers, You want to come to Ireland, contact me for inbox. I will tell you the procedures. You will get PO. not be 6 months sojourner like Omila. That one not the enter. Enough enter. Never. Even Kata not enter. Kata not enter. Enough it. You get P. Then there are ways, there are sets of procedures. I will lecture you on how to go about it, what the process to pass through. Call me, apply for your PPS number. There are jobs everywhere. Jobs everywhere. Before you apply for jobs everywhere, now they're not going to let you rest. They call you, call start tomorrow. There are jobs. There is high demand for jobs here. Serious high demands for jobs here. Good jobs. So that is it. That is it. And so a job be. There are high demands for job. So my people, Omila Akim, sorry, let me put you for the one you did. I used to catch my cruise. Now if I finish this broadcast, I go to find one better. Let's feed my wife. Anyone I just see I won't eat. My wife don't go work. Me and they house today. They house today. My wife don't go work. My daughter don't go school. So now let me hold the house for us up. I said, make her quickly. I promise my people say I will give Omila small injection. I tell them say I will give her small injection today. Omila, I can't beat you with accurate facts, truth. The fact remains that you're jealous. Iyore Omoze. Take that bitter pea down your whatever. Make her not use Facebook to get some street community guidelines these days. Based on certain ways, your videos can be shrinked. Now if you get some views we're supposed to get based on the kind of ways. Even Omila not they too speak English. Now beneath they speak. Nobody still there'll be Facebook they do. People not just want me as I be used of because most of my videos now English and they use most times too much vulgar words, I know. And these days I call they try to curtail some of these vulgar words where they use. Not be saying vulgar in the sense of describing women and whatever, ashy or no, I don't do that one, but maybe sometimes my English I can't use. There are some courses where maybe I'm not supposed to use for English. So the computer, the robot could just pick and say in English, you could just know, go shrink the video. Because of some words, they won't let your video go far. But thank God, there are people watching. Comment, share, love, and like the video. What we will come do today for you now to come expose the bitterness of Omila Akim. Don't they shout Iyore Omoze. Huh? What did that woman do you? They get where they go still person still do small, they go still leave her. Me first, in those days, I used to, but I can't look at look and say, to err is human, to forgive is divine. There's still room for forgiveness. And she's doing well. She dey talk well. She be good image of a typical Benin woman. See beauty personified, natural beauty, fully endowed. But she not fight past my wife. My wife fight past you, Iyore. Don't go there. I dey praise you, but my wife fight past you for my own. For me, my wife is the most beautiful woman on earth. That one, nobody go take her away from me. But I see the praise you say, you beat all these ones when they use what they call her, organic cream, organic layers, chemical. You are good to go. So let them cry for all I care. Like come out. Picture where you teeth for Alibaba, it don't expire. Bring your face, come out. Bring your face. Don't fear me, bring you out. You not look good. They did that when they show breast at 72. Child abuse. You want to go abuse don't fear me, bro. That is child abuse. That young man. You no fear. The open breast. I see my car breast. How that breast go be? That breast it will cause convulsion to small pikin. That breast will be something else. I know the body shame. It is not my tradition to body shame people. It's not my tradition to use all those things, but as far as she go show a doctor fear me about breast, God knows whether that breast not break a doctor fear me about phone. That breast, that picture of that breast will break somebody's camera or phone. Obviously. That's how bad it can be. That's how bad it can be. That's how bad it can be. Where your second in command? It's Mama G of Scotland. Mama G of Scotland, I didn't hear you. I didn't hear you now. Tell me location. I feel drive come. I know they drive now. I feel come Belfast with bus. If that Belfast, Scotland, I come there with bus. Mama G, I'm very close to you. Just a stone throw away from you. So that being said, my people, I wish you all a very wonderful and perfect day. This is me, your brother, your friend, Andrew Mofuma. I have come to tell Omila Akim say she is of no good to the Edos. The Benin is not sent at this mission where she did on. If she is not recognized, she won't claim rule where they not arrogate to her. So let her take her bitter peace and go and calm her head. She need to be calm and come out hand for this. She will not say now. Nobody's saying you. Nobody's saying you. You did the shout, Iyore Mozena, Iyore Moze, Iyore Moze. Go to bring old school juju. Old school juju. Old school juju. So, my people, the battery done a week, so I not charge my phone before I do this broadcast. So, we'll go meet again. If the woman come out, come talk to me. He get 500 views after 3 days, I'll come answer her. But if he talk to me, he not reach 500 people will watch her. Not be saying live, oh. After 500 people watch her, I'll come answer her. Have a wonderful day, my people. Make her live on her for the now.